Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a deep clean of my oven. I went with the route of using dishwasher detergent pods, and let me tell you just how impressed I was. I started off by just using some basic degreaser spray to get out some of the gunk and crumbs. Keep watching until the very end because you definitely do not want to miss the results of my oven along with my oven racks.
Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
I've shown this before on my channel. I like to remove my oven door once it's time to get to the scrubbing. It makes it easier to scrub on the inside. I just have to undo these little latches and then the door is sort of hooked in place. So I just have to lift and wiggle at the perfect angle and then bam, eventually it comes out.
I said that I needed you.
I am so sorry that it is so dark in here, but apparently my light was out and I didn't realize until I was in here cleaning. Anyways, I usually scrub and then I have to come back in with a razor or a pumice stone to get all of these dried up dark spots, but let me tell you, this pod actually took all of them off. I did not think that it was going to work, but it actually did. The only con that I have, if you would even call this a con, is that the pods sort of deteriorate pretty quickly, so I did have to go through a couple of them. I want to say like 3 or 4.
I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
Call me crazy, but I was all in, and I even used the same method on cleaning the oven glass door. I'd recommend doing a little test area before trying this just to be on the safe side and to ensure that you don't scratch your glass. I didn't notice any scratches, but your girl is a little blind, so just do a little testing of your own.
Much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
This bottom piece pops out in my oven. I know not all of them do this, but I think because I don't have like a pull-out drawer at the bottom is the reason why I'm able to do this. I also don't normally use my vacuum in these areas, but I see people doing it all the time, and I have to admit this is so much easier to clean. I also use the pod here, and I wasn't able to get all of the black spots out, but that's okay. I'm still happy with the results in this area.
From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was the bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
I always clean the inside of my oven glass this way. It's not hard to remove, you just want to be very careful not to drop it or break it. I feel like this is really the best way to get a nice, clear, and clean oven door, and it helps you to get every inch of that glass cleaned. Otherwise, it'll a lot of times still look dirty.
So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away.
I've seen a lot of ways to clean your oven racks with dryer sheets, so I put them in hot water overnight with the dryer sheets, and then the next day I scrubbed them with a Scrub Daddy sponge. It did work really well, but I will say that it was not a quick process. They were definitely getting clean, but there was just so many little areas. Next time I think I will use the dryer sheets again, but this time I'll throw in some of the Dawn dish soap and see if that makes a difference. Every time that I clean my oven, it's always what feels like an all-day event. I'll keep trying new ways, and maybe one day I'll find that perfect cleaning method that will not only be super effective but also a whole lot quicker. I don't know if that even exists, but we'll see. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I also really hope that I will see you next week for a brand new video. And with that being said, you already know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.